In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet, a complete tutorial. So the first thing you need to know is that you do not need to install the Google Meet application on your mobile to be able to use Google Meet, as you can simply just open Gmail, and at the bottom of your Gmail, you will see the Meet icon. When you tap on this will take you to Google Meet. Now, if you're someone who still wants to install the app, you can simply open the App Store and search for Google Meet. Now, tap on Google Meet, and if you need to install the app, you'll see the option to install or update the app in this section. Once installed and updated, you can tap on Open. On the next page, if you have multiple Google accounts signed into your device, you can select the Google account you want associated with the app. To select an account, tap on the drop-down in this section. You can then select a Google account. Tap on Continue as that account. Now, if you want people to reach you with your phone number, you can simply enter your phone number in this section and then tap on the Continue button. If you do not want, you can tap on the Cancel button. Now, if you choose to continue, a verification code will be sent to that number. Once the verification is complete, people will be able to search for your number on Google Meet. Here you have to give permission to make video calls and allow access to your microphone and camera. Tap on Give Access and tap on Why using this app. Tap on Allow. And once all permission has been granted, you'll be taken to your dashboard. On your dashboard, simply tap on Got It. If you've been invited to a Google meeting, simply tap on the code section here, tap on Got It, and you'll be able to enter the code, which is usually in the URL of the invitation link. Once a meeting link has been entered, you'll be able to tap on the Join button at the top right corner of your screen. If you want to host a call, you can simply go back, and in the search section, you can simply tap here. Here you'll be able to invite a contact. You can enter their mobile number in this section, or you can enter their email address. You can also select contact from your contact suggestions, and that will immediately start a call. You get more options to host a meeting when you tap on New at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll be able to hop into a call quickly with your suggestions again. You'll also be able to search contact or dial, as well as create a link. So if you want to create a meeting link immediately to invite people later to join the meeting, you can simply tap on Create Link and the meeting link will be created. In the meeting link URL, you can tap on the Copy button, tap on Share to share to your contacts, and you can join immediately the meeting. Now, any meeting which has been created, you will find them in this section under your Scheduled and your History. Under New again, if you want to schedule a meeting to a different date, you can tap on the Schedule button here. Give a title for the meeting. You can choose between Event, Task, and Birthday. With the birthdays and tasks, you get notifications. With the events, you'll be able to further customize your schedule. Here you can select all day if the meeting is going to last all day. Enter the start date in this section, as well as the time. And the second option is for you to enter the end time. For example, this will tell all participants that there will be a 1-hour meeting on the same day. Here you'll be able to enter your region. Simply enter your region in this section and then select your region. You'll be able to further customize the notification repetition. You can choose every day, every week, as well as a custom option for you in this section. To add people to your meeting, simply tap on the Add here, and you can enter email address or scroll through the suggestions to pick participants in this section. You can also enter location, choose when to get notification before the meeting. You can pick a default color, add a description for the meeting, and add a Google Drive attachment. Once you're done filling in all the meeting information, simply tap on Save at the top right corner of your screen, and you see the option to send invitation email to Google Calendar guests. If you want them to be notified, tap on Send, and an invitation email will be sent to them. You'll also be able to see your meeting details in this section of your calendar. Guests will be able to view and accept your invitation via email. And lastly, you can select the group option, which allows you to invite multiple people into a call immediately. Simply tap on Group Calls, and you'll be able to pick multiple participants you want in your group. Once you're done, you'll be able to tap on Next, and they'll be invited into the group call. To join a meeting, tap on the meeting you would like to join. The first section here is going to show you what you look like or what you'll be appearing as in the meeting. When you tap on the top right corner of your screen here, you'll be able to switch your audio output, which allows you to use your speaker, your phone earpiece, as well as even turn off sound. So if you have a Bluetooth connection, you also find it here. Here you'll be able to turn off video. If you do not want to start fit with your video showing, you can tap on the video button in this section. Now you can always tap on this to restore camera access. If you do not want your background to be showing, tap on the button in the middle and you'll find several features you can use here. You can tap on the blur button in this section and this will blur your background. If you want to add more blur to the background, simply tap on the second option and this will further blur your background. If you want to change your background, you can tap on the gallery icon in this section and then choose an image you want to add to your background. If any filter you've added, you'll be able to tap them in this section and remove them in this section here. You'll be able to choose background, filters, as well as appearance to set the style. The next button will mute your microphone. When you tap on this, there will be no audio recording from your device. You scroll down below this, you'll be able to join the meeting. You'll be able to share your device screen if you want to start with sharing your device screen. So to share, simply tap on share screen and then tap on continue. Here in the drop down section, when you choose on share one app, you'll be able to select any app that is opened on your device and only that app screen will be shared from your device. Now in the second option, when you tap on the drop down in this section, you'll be able to share entire screen. With the companion mode, this will launch the meeting immediately in a mode in which you can attend without presenting. No camera and there will be no audio once you are in this mode. You can send messages in the in-call messages, which you can chat with other participants in the group. You can send reaction, raise your hand during the meeting, get caption with other settings. You can simply switch and edit any of this before you join the meeting. To join the meeting, tap on the join button and this will join you to the meeting. As a host, when anyone requests to join your meeting, they'll be requested to ask to join. Simply when they click on this, on your account, you'll be able to admit and deny entry. When you admit, they'll be immediately added to the meeting. Now, once in the meeting, as an admin, you get extra control. Simply tap on the name of the group and you see members in the group. Now, when you tap on the three dots here, you'll be able to mute, stop the video of a participant, pin a participant, remove, or even make a participant full screen if you want them to be the full screen. You can drag this from anywhere you want, from the top to the bottom of your display, and every other thing you people are doing here in this section will display on the main screen. You can always edit and change your camera filter in this section. You'll be able to change the audio output in this section and switch your camera from the rear facing camera to the front facing camera. You also find a group link in this section here. If you want to turn off your video at any point, simply tap here and your video will be turned off. To mute your microphone, tap on mute microphone in this section and this will mute your microphone. To add reactions in a meeting, tap on the reaction button here and any reaction you tap will be sent to the meeting. You'll be able to do more when you tap on the three dots in this section. Here you'll be able to raise your hand to notify the admin that you're raising a hand to ask a question. Now when you go back here, you see the option to share your screen, which I've shown you how to share a screen. You also find the option for captions. Now when you tap on this, anyone who is speaking will be translated on the screen. You can always come back here and tap on the three dots and turn it off. You can tap here to switch the audio output. With the on the go feature, if you're someone who attends meeting while moving, you can tap on the go. And this will switch your meeting to no camera with only recording from the mic, audio switching, and the option to raise your hands. You can tap on turn off on the go, and this will return you back to the meeting. Now you have the option for in-call messages. When you tap on this, you'll be able to go to the comment section of the meeting. Here you see comment questions from other people who are in the meeting. You also find settings in this section. Simply tap on settings button here. And if you do not want to show video in the tile, you'll be able to turn it off, which will only show presentation. Here you can tap on host control and you find the settings to help keep control of your meeting as a host. With the host management, you can restrict what participants can do in the meeting, such as share their screen, send chat messages, and send reactions. You can also scroll down in this section here and you see meeting access. So hosts must join before anyone else. You can customize them in this section. You can leave it as open. Anyone can dial in. And you can select trusted, where people can join without asking if they are invited using their Google accounts. Anyone else with another account will need to ask to join. Now when you go back, you find send feedback. To send feedback to Google Meet, you can also select live caption, which shows caption in this call. You can also manage reactions, such as show reactions from others, animations, sound, and skin tone. Select the skin tone for your emojis. If you wish at any point to report an abuse in the meeting, you can tap on the three dots in this section and you see report abuse. Tap on this, enter the type of abuse, the names of the abusers. You can separate them with a comma, and you can describe the nature of the abuse. Once you're ready, tap on the submit button at the top right corner, and the information about the meeting and participants plus an optional short video clip will be sent to Google for review. If you wish to end any meeting, tap on the hang up button and the meeting will be ended. You can always come back here and find all meetings that you currently have in this section. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. What kind of video would you like to watch next?